So how to use the auto park function. We're gonna get right up next to a parking spot. So once we're lined up next to one, we're gonna push the parking feature button right here. We'll see up on the screen, it is looking for parking spaces. Choose a parking space. We're gonna go to the one that is up on our nose to the right. We're gonna back in, we press start, and that's when I let go of the wheel, let go of the brake, and it will go ahead and park for me within the space that I chose, using the sensors around it to make sure we don't hit into anything and that it parks normally. Now when it parks, when it comes to its conclusion, it will put it in park and turn on your parking brake for you, as you can see up on the head dash there. So I'll put it in park and you are ready to get on out. And you're all set.